Good morning children, welcome to math class. How are you all? I hope you all good. So in previous session, which topic we had discussed children? Yes, we had discussed about solid shape. So now can anyone tell me children, so what are the solid shape we had learnt yesterday? Yes, so first we learned. So yes, what shape it is children? Yes, this is cube. Okay, what shape it is? Cube. And then what shape it is children? Yes, this is cuboid. Okay, what shape it is? Cuboid. And then yes, what shape it is children? What is the name of this shape? Yes, this is cylinder. What shape it is? Cylinder. Next. What shape it is children? What shape it is? Yes, this is sphere. And we have learnt one more shape children, cone. So now can anyone tell me children, what is the example of cube shaped object? Example of cube shape children? Dice is an example of cube shape. And what is the example of cuboid shape children? What is the example of cuboid shape? Yes, pencil box is an example of cuboid shape and duster is an example of cuboid shape. Next, what is the example of cylinder? So battery is an example of cylinder and gum bottle. Okay, glue stick. Glue stick is an example of cylinder. And what is an example of cone children? So example of cone. For example, if we see ice cream is an example of cone. And birthday cap is an example of cone. So and example of sphere, ball is an example of sphere. Okay, ball is an example of sphere. Now open page number 15 children. Open page number 15. Studio page number 15. 1.19. What is the shape of your classroom? Discuss in your class. Once you have to remember our classroom children. So what is the shape of our classroom? You can see that our classroom shape is cuboid. Okay, our classroom shape is cuboid. So once check your room also children what shape it is. Okay, once you have to check your room children. You have to check and you have to think what shape it is. Next, 1.20. Identify the solid shapes in the objects given below. Okay, here given picture children. In that picture some solid shapes are hidden. So you have to check what shapes are these and you have to write. Yes children, here you have to check. First shape is like this. Am I correct? In the first picture like this children. Yes, you have to check what are these two shapes children. So first one what shape it is? Cuboid and this is cube. Okay, you have to write here 1.20. The first picture is like this children. So the above one what shape it is? Cuboid. So write cuboid. And the down one is cube. So write cuboid and cube. And then next, turn to next page. Next shape is like this children. Yes, what shape it is? Yes, what shape it is? Sphere. What shape it is? Sphere. So write sphere children. And what shape it is children? Just now we have discussed children. Ice cream is an example of cone. No? So this is cone. First one cube, cuboid. And this is sphere and cone. Sphere and cone. So this is in the page number 16 children. Yes, I hope completed everyone. Now open companion children. Everyone open companion. Open companion page number 8. Companion page number 8. So here you have to check children. Here given some object. Match the objects with their shape. Okay, here given object and one side here given shape. You have to match this object with their shapes. Okay, with their name of the shape. So for example here given ball children. So what is the shape of the ball? Yes, ball is sphere shape. So where the sphere? Yes, here sphere. You have to match this ball with sphere. Like that you have to match remaining children. Okay, for example, this is an example of cone. So just you have to match accordingly. Next, open page number 9. Page number 9. Project time. Create a model. Okay children, here you have to create a model. So collect some solid shapes like empty matchbox. Here you have to collect some solid shapes like an empty matchbox. So what is the shape of the empty matchbox children? Yes, empty matchbox is an example of cuboid. And shoebox. Shoebox is also an example of cuboid. And tennis ball. Yes, what is the shape of the tennis ball? Yes, ball shape is like this, no children. So what is the shape of this tennis ball? Sphere. And toilet roll. So toilet roll is like this, children. So what is the shape of the toilet roll? Yes, cylinder. And empty thread reel. So we are using threads, no children. So what is the shape of the thread reel? Yes, this is also cylinder. And you have to use this. You have to use these objects to create a model like a sofa, a table, a house, a man, a robot from it. Okay. So in this project, what you have to do, children? You have to take these objects like tennis ball and empty thread reel and empty matchbox and shoebox to make any models. Okay. To prepare any models, a few examples are given. Here you have to check, children, what are these? Yes, these are matchboxes. Here they use matchboxes to prepare one part. And this is butterfly, children. So in the middle one, this is empty thread reel. And these are also matchboxes and this is shoebox. So like that you have to take these objects and you have to make any model. So no need to make these models, children. Your wish you have to make any model. So after completing your models, you have to take a picture and paste here. Okay, don't paste the models here, children. After completing models, just you have to take a picture and paste the picture here. Okay, is it clear, everyone? In this project, what you have to do, children? You have to color these objects like empty matchbox, shoebox, thread reel, tennis ball. You have to collect these objects. And with using of these objects, you have to make any models. Okay, you have to create any model. So after creating model, you have to take a picture and paste the picture here. Okay, this is your homework, children. So in today's class, which topic we have discussed, children? We have discussed about solid shapes. So and first chapter is also completed, children. So in this chapter, first we have discussed types of straight line. So what line it is, children? Yes, this is horizontal line. So what type of line it is? Horizontal line. And what line it is, children? This is straight line. Okay, what line it is? Straight line. And what type of line it is? This is slanting line. Okay, what type of line it is? Slanting line. So we have discussed these three lines and we have discussed about solid shape. So first we have discussed about cube. So cube. Can anyone know the example of cube, children? So what are the examples of cube? Dice is an example of cube. And you have to check, children. This is having flat surfaces or covered surface? Yes, children, cube having only flat surfaces. Next shape. Cuboid. So cuboid having flat surfaces or covered surface? Flat surfaces only, children. And you have to remember the object, those are having flat surfaces, they can slide. And the object that are having curved surface, they can roll. Okay, the objects that are having flat surfaces, they can slide. So cube and cuboid, they can slide, children. Next, cylinder. You have to check, children. Cylinder having flat surfaces or curved surface? Yes, cylinder. This is curved surface, children. And here you have to check. This is flat surface and this is also flat surface. So cylinder, it rolls and slides also. Why? Cylinder having both surfaces known. Now sphere, children. So sphere having curved surface or flat surface? Yes, sphere having curved surface, children. So it rolls. You have to remember, we learned these solid shapes, and one more, children, cone. We had learned about cone. So cone also having both flat surface and curved surface. So cone, it rolls and slides. This is about today's class, children. So everyone complete the given project work. In project work, just you have to use the object like empty matchbox, thread reel and tennis ball and toilet reel. You have to use this and to create any models. Okay, with using these objects to create any models is your wish, children. So after creating models, you have to take a picture and paste the picture in the given space. So here given some space. No, in that space you have to paste the pictures. Okay, this is about today's class, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.